Everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at triangles and how to find the area of a triangle. Now, identifying a triangle is pretty easy. It's just a three-sided shape, okay? You won't really be able to make any shape that's three-sided that's not a triangle, okay? So tri meaning three, we've got a three-sided shape. Now, with triangles, there's a little neat trick to show you why the formula for a triangle is what it is, okay? And that little trick is that a triangle is always, and I mean always, half a rectangle, okay? So if I, let's say, connect up these two corners across here, this triangle is taking up half of a 3 by 12 centimetre rectangle, okay? Same here, I've got a height on this one of 4 metres, and across the bottom, that base is 7 metres. So if I draw a shape around here and connect up all these corners, you should be able to see that that triangle is once again taking up half of that rectangle, okay? And then same here, if I were to draw some lines that would connect all my corners, this triangle is once again taking up half of this rectangle, okay? So because of that, the area for a triangle is half times my base times my height, because that base times height part is the area for a rectangle, right? So the other way we can say that is saying base times height divided by 2, because if I times something by half, I'm also dividing it by 2, okay? So that there is the area for a triangle, is half of the area for that rectangle that it's kind of taking up, all right? So let's have a look at that first example there. If you'd like to pause the video here, you can, okay? But I'm going to bring this example down the bottom here, just to get it out of the way of our formula there, okay? So this one here, I've got a triangle whose base is 12 centimetres, okay? And whose height is 3 centimetres. If I multiply all those together, I'm going to have 12 times 3 is 36, and half of that is 18. And that's still going to be in centimetres squared, because we're still trying to see how many square units we can fit in there, okay? I'm going to redraw that triangle from the top here. All right, I know that these aren't particularly to scale, but we're going to work with it anyway. I've got 4 metres and 7 metres, all right? So my area there is 7 times 4, all divided by 2. That's the same steps I was taking before, just written differently. Okay, so 7 times 4 is 28, divided by 2 will give me 14, and that will be metres squared. Now for that last one, we just have to be careful with our units there. Okay, so you might have already noticed this, but our bottom unit, oh, that's a bit wonky there. Our bottom unit there was in centimetres, but coming down, this unit here was in millimetres. So it's up to you which one you want to convert, but one of them has to become the other unit, okay? For the sake of this one, I'm going to change that 13 millimetres into centimetres, remembering we divide by 10, but you could have gone the other way around as well, okay? So in doing that, I have my area is equal to a half times my base, which is 6, times my height, which is 1.3. If I half 6, I'm going to get 3. Times that by 1.3 will give me 3.9 centimetres squared. Okay? And now if you haven't done conversions here yet for square units, all you have to do, instead of just multiplying by 10 to get to millimetres, we just have to do that twice because of that 2 there, okay? So you would have also, if you went down the millimetres route, got 390 millimetres squared.